Hi, and welcome to my channel, Selena Style Designs. On today's episode, I'm going to be sharing with you a custom makeover. So I've actually ended up picking up this lovely console from Facebook Marketplace. It's actually one of my first buys. And usually I generally paint in chalk paint, but today I actually really wanted to give the Fusion Mineral Paint a test at. I've seen quite a few different tutorials using this type of paint, and they say it self-levels and it's already water resistant. So I'm definitely going to give that a go for this piece here. I've chosen the lamp white, so it has a bit of a grey undertone, so I'll be intrigued to see how this paints and also how it finishes as well. And then I've got two different types of brushes. One is, I think, the Stylemaster round ones to get into the detailing of the spindles underneath, and the other one is the flatter series to paint for the top. So let's get to it and see how this works. So the first thing we're going to do is just give it a good shake. So this is the finished result of this Facebook Market upcycle, and I have to say I actually adore the colour. It has a lovely slight blue undertone. It's like the softest of blues, but it is actually kind of a white, kind of a blue-grey white, I guess. Especially under my lighting conditions, it does look a lot more grey-blue. And then I've just styled it with this cute little planter, some faux plant mix from IKEA, and a few books, and these lovely glass beads, and big lamp, and focal artwork. But pretty much what makes this console a standout are these amazing acrylic with gold touch handles. They certainly make it a lot more glam, and they add just such a lovely luxe, more modern touch to the detail on the spindle legs. So if you're ever thinking of painting up a furniture piece and you want it to be a little bit different and maybe a bit more modern, I definitely recommend changing out your hardware. That's the best way of modernizing a piece and just adding a bit more personality and interest. So I hope you enjoyed this makeover video, and I look forward to sharing more upcycles with you soon. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.